Hello everyone, welcome to the next episode. Let us read this question now. A polythene piece rubbed with wool is found to have a negative charge of 3 into 10 raised to power minus 7 coulomb. So you have two objects here. This is your polythene, suppose, and suppose you have your wool here, for example. So this polythene is having a negative charge. And how much this charge is? This charge is given by the polythene charge is having 3 into 10 raised to power minus 7 coulomb, and this is your negatively charged. Okay, so now what they're asking, estimate the number of electrons transferred. So when this piece, this polythene is rubbed with wool, it acquires a negative charge of minus 3 into 10 raised to power minus 7 coulomb. So you have to find out how much electrons are actually transferred. Now, always remember one thing in your mind. Whoever bears negative charge, that means it has excess of electrons. So that actually means that the electrons have been transferred from wool to polythene. The electrons has been transferred from wool to polythene. What is the fundamental electronic charge for a one electron? So you can write minus 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. So how we can find out that how many electrons have been transferred? We have to use here quantization of charge. We have to use here quantization of charge. So what does quantization of charge indicates? That the Q will be equal to plus minus Ne. The total charge acquired will be equal to plus minus Ne. So now this formula, if we use, what we will get here, we can write here that the n which we have to find in this question, we have to find basically that how many electrons have been transferred. We have to find out how many electrons have been transferred. We can write small n is equal to Qp by E. So just substituting the values, minus 3 into 10 raised to power minus 7 divided by minus 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. So solving this, we will get 1.875 into 10 raised to power 12 electrons. These are the number of electrons transferred. Okay, now what is the B part? Is there a transfer of mass from wool to polythene happening? Yes, of course it will happen. Why? Because electrons are being transferred from wool to polythene. So of course the mass will be also transferred. Why? Because every electron carries a mass of 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kg. So if we are asked that how much mass is actually transferred, what we can say? So I'm just doing B part here, as every mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kg. So now if I ask you how much mass has been transferred in this question, so the total mass will be nothing but number of electrons transferred into mass of one electron. So I can write 1.875 into 10 raised to power 12 into 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31. So if we solve this, we'll get 1.71 10 raised to power minus 18 kg. So this much mass has been transferred. Okay, thank you.